So I'm recording. I'm going to zero out the scale. It's in 0. I'm going to weigh myself. Then I'm going to pick up the kayak and subtract the difference between the kayak and me for the actual weight of the kayak. So zero it again. Now I'm going to get on the scale. It's shockingly 173.4. Now my wife is going to grab the camera. She's going to film me. I'm going to get off the scale. I'm going to get off the scale. I'm going to pick up the kayak. And I'm going to subtract the difference of the total. And that should be the kayak weight. So this is crazy, but here we go. Tap it.
Okay, you can get on.
How much to weight?
Hold on, it's still thinking. It says error. Get off. Okay, now it says 245. Which is...
Get on again?
Mm-hmm. 0. Okay, now get on.
What's the weight?
It's... Nothing's happening. You're gonna have to do it again.
And get off.
Get off. Okay, there you go. Now it's... Yep. It's confirmed 244.4.
Okay, get off. Okay, so keep recording. 244, let's say 245 minus 175.